Our cabinets are made of 18mm thick particle board and have a melamine surface. This ensures their strength and rigidity. The cabinets have a dowel and cam construction. By following the assembly instructions, you can easily assemble the cabinets using simple tools. If you use an electric screwdriver or a drill, make sure you adjust it to the right speed to avoid breaking the melamine. Each cabinet serves a specific purpose in the kitchen. This particular base cabinet is made to hold an oven, sink or a hob, so it comes with a special top rail and a ventilation grid at the back. Read the assembly instructions carefully to be sure you get it right. By using a tri-square, you can easily make sure the angle of the cabinet is correct. A cabinet for a built-in extractor should be mounted without the bottom piece. You will learn more about how to install the hood in Film 5, Installing Appliances, Hobs and Sinks. The 20 and 30 cm width base cabinets need special attention if they are to house a pull-out. We highly recommend installation of the pull-out at the same time as assembly of the cabinet, otherwise you will need a special screwdriver, as shown here, to attach it to the cabinet.